Okie dokie. Welcome everyone. Morning. Right, let's get this up and running. So looking like those EJ buys might have not played out yet. Yeah, morning. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the news, because I think there's some coming up. 1 second. Public sector net borrowing at 7 a.m. So this could be actually quite a big news right now, because everything is monitored quite tough right now, to be honest with you. So this will be interesting to see, if I'm honest. So we'll probably wait for that, see how that gets absorbed. That's the first thing. And then we've got JPY tentative news as well, and then we've got some MP member as well. So oh man's lean max workout. Hey, the YouTube sending me love, not like Brian over here just calls me a fat cunt. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get into this. We'll see what we can get. It still looks like the JPY pairs are still in a little bit of a tough situation. It looks like gold dropped nicely. Yeah, gold dropped pretty good. It was very late on though, so that was interesting. So yeah, let's go through this. But the first thing that I kind of see if I start on the higher time frames is, resistance we're at right now. Okay, that's the first kind of issue I have. Looking at the 4 hour, it's looking like we're making a little bit of support, but overall you can see there's a lot of wicks in these areas, right? So that's the kind of thing that I'm looking at, right? It's still not looking perfect. Okay, so let's get this on over here. Yeah, so daily was bullish. Okay. The 4 hour time frame right now is bearish, only slightly. Let's add this on here. Okay, so looking like, as I said before, we have kind of made some support at 165.450, but it's been a very choppy. Who got slapped yesterday as well? Because I know some people would have got slapped yesterday. There was only one move that could have been taken. That's the one that Don and Raja took. Yeah, I didn't really like it because it was right at resistance, so I left that alone. But that was the only one really yesterday. So yeah, looking like the hourly's rejected the lows, came all the way back down to 156,500 level, and now it's closed bullish. So yeah, it does look good to continue bullish, but you've got to see, the zones. GJ chart looking gash, apart from buys maybe above 845. Yeah, 845 could be okay. So so support for me to take sells is going to be like down here, man. I'm not touching it unless we're coming down there, right? To be honest with you, there's traffic here as well, so it kind of sucks. Maybe below 250. I think that might be a little bit easier, to be honest with you. Yeah, I think sells below there. So as you can see over here, guys, I'm making my zones bigger. When price action is garbage, I'm just making my zones bigger, okay? So you can see here there is a resistance at 165.835. So yeah, potentially, I'd say, you could get buys if you get a closure above to fill that wick there to 166. But I do think, yeah, the zone's big enough, but it's only like 20 pips. Oh no, it's not. It's 40 pips. I also think buys above 166.200 is going to be the place to be today. Okay, but looking like that definitely is a resistance. I'll do this safer buys above 166.198. Okay, beautiful. And yeah, I mean, riskier buys would be here. I just think because the zone's so bad, but I still think it could be an option if you get a nice close. Riskier buy 165, 850, 846. Beautiful. So yeah. Good afternoon. Well done, everyone. Let's take a look in the chat. Max EJ closing above. No. It's not. It's not. It's not. Well, it kind of did on the 30. 15 though is dropping down, broken the low of the previous, coming back into this shitty area. So I really think the price action this week has been very, very tricky. So well done if you guys are still staying afloat. EJ closure above, yeah, the 30 looks okay, but
yeah, I was gonna say EJ's sort of into the next zone, but
yeah, the hourly.
It's a bit how you're going, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, it's good though. It has closed above. So let's take a look on the 30 flip. 10 pips. I fucking hate a candle like that, especially when it's just nearly tapped the Asian highs. I might have to just wait longer, man, unfortunately. Yeah, I might have to wait a little longer, I think. So yeah, I think this is GJ for us today. Yeah, we'll see what we can do, but as I say, it's still not looking too good. As the news came out here. Look at that net borrowing, 22 billion. This is what's probably sent it west a little bit. Oof. Net borrowing's going up. Not too good. And yeah, sells. I mean, you could get sells below like the Asian lows, nearly the Asian lows at 165, 500. But this area is a little bit choppy, so I think I'm just gonna wait all the way down. So yeah, let's take a look at EJ. We'll do that as well. Let me just move AJ there. AJ's done fuck all as well. Looking like EJ's wicking back up. We'll see. I may have to wait for another 15 because it also is really daily resistance as well. So we'll see about that. Okay, dailies bullish. 4-hour time frames made some support, which is good to see. It's good to see. Put this on here. Okay, the hourly time frame is looking like it's reflipping now, guys. Look at the 30. 30 is about to reflip. So getting in there, I mean, I think the 15 is struggling, to be honest. I'd probably just wait another 11 minutes, I think. So yeah, this to the left hand side is the resistance. So like here, I'd say. So we have closed above, and that last candle on the 30-minute especially. So yeah, maybe the next 15-minute closing bullish, and then you can continue and break that wick. That may be okay, because the hourly now has closed above the support, so it could be okay. It could be okay. Let me just write this on. 141,285. Yeah, but I think I'm going to wait for an extra 15. If we do get a closure above, then the first resistance is at 141,400. And 414, like 500 level. Yeah. There's a little bit of resistance there, you can see to the side at 345, which is interesting to see. But I think this is probably the major level to come to. Maybe a little lower down. Let me just move this here.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning. And yeah, 141,760 maybe later on. But yeah, we'll see what the score is. I'm in no rush because price looks like shit. EJ could struggle because of the news. Forget what I just said. It's yen news. Nah, but yen news. Where is this yen news? Someone said there's yen news. Where? There's the tentative one.
Yeah, so it's not confirmed, right? It could be at any time.
Yeah.
Morning, how's it?
Morning. Not bad, not bad.
Good.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit cooler. I've bought an aircon rig though. I'm not gonna lie. I bought one.
Yeah, then you've got it, man.
Yeah, I bought one. I just realized that, like, I remember going in this room like last year when like my Kane's friends and that were all living here, and it was fucking hot. So I think it's best to just get one. So yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see. But GJ is still in a sticky situation, to be honest. Look at this Asian range. Like, it was just, oh god. We'll take a look at gold, but gold tanked again, which is madness. I'll see if there's any 5-minute entries we could have got onto. Let's take a look, right? Let's take a look and see if we could have found any. That's quite hard. It was quite, yeah. I mean, that is a break and retest. This is the closure below. Really. I mean, this one was, but not really the nicest. This one here closing below, then it wicks back up, taking a sell there. Stop loss above the previous zone. Yeah. What time is that at? 5 o'clock. Did I wonder why it ran at 5 o'clock? Is there any news? Or is something coming out? Any morning trades. I just woke up.
There were JPY interest rates at 4. I don't know if that might have affected it.
That was 4 a.m. though. The gold one was
5.
Well, no, but it was 5 p.m. not a.m.
Oh, then I don't know.
I think. Yeah, it's just 5 p.m. Yeah, so. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so as you can see, very, very bearish, right? And looking like we actually pushed through the little thing we were holding for a while on the 4-hour time frame, which is at 1703 area. Now we're coming back down to 1687, which is what my target was. So today, what I'm going to be looking at is just retracements and then sells. So yeah, I think probably if I had to put my money on today, a Don trade NY session with a nice closure below, it's probably going to be beautiful. Let me move this over here.
EJ's breaking highs.
Okay, EJ breaking the highs, very nice. The stop loss on the flip would be 10 pips. You've just hit 9. Oof.
Stop loss to break even.
Good light, Roshi boy.
Morning, guys.
Morning,
Morning.
morning. Oh, we should be good here now. Fuck, man, I could have. Let's look at the 5 minute. Yeah, I just have one 5 minute candle. That's not bad. I just. It's also the Asian highs as well, it's a little annoying.
Yeah, that's Saturday. Stop loss to break even. I love it.
You know what I liked about this trade, Max? Is that we flipped the 4-hour, and like with Finn's theory of every time we get a 4-hour flip or it's a daily flip, then there's a reaction. So we flipped the 4-hour, then we re-flipped bearish back again. And then tested again, and I thought, well, if we flip the 4-hour again with the 1 hour, that should be good then.
Yeah, for sure. See how far I can go. Is GJ doing anything? Oh, GJ might break above soon. They should continue looking at the higher time frames, but
I just hate like a rejection wick like that.
yeah, like that.
Yeah, man, it's like
Puts you off, eh?
it gives you doubt. You know, let's be honest, it actually gives you doubt.
If this gets break even here, oh no.
No, I closed partials.
Nice.
Not gonna risk all my profits because I just want one more pip.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, hourly time frames are looking at the start of range now, but that makes sense if I just nut it down like fucking 300 pips. That's fine. So yeah, I mean, probably for me, the only thing I'm waiting for is a retracement. So waiting for because I think that the 1685, I think it was 1685, was it, or 1680? Let's take a look. Yeah, it's near this level, right? So what I'd rather, instead of taking sells right now at these supports, I'd rather wait for maybe a retracement back up, I don't know, here, 1700, then sell it back down later on. But I mean, if you want to get a closure below and see how that works, then sure, go for it. I think the easier one is if price retraces probably up to this daily flip and then launches back down later on, and I can get the closure back in the zone again. Yeah. Beautiful. Well done for taking those EJs, people who wanted to take them. Very nice. So yeah, I think GJ may. Oh no. Yeah, we'll see. AJ, I'm not going to change anything on AJ. I really can't be asked to analyze this chart again. Oh, the 4-hour actually closed bullish though above. Look at the daily. Daily looks okay. Look at the 30-minute time frame. It's got a little zone. This actually doesn't look too bad to continue. There's 19 pips left of this zone. The 30 minutes going to be breaking.
Tried AJ this morning earlier and I got break even with a 15 with a 5-minute created support. Got like a decent push of 7 pips, but
Not enough, yeah. The thing is, there's resistance in the 15s like this. Yeah, this zone's getting smaller and smaller. It's still like 12 pips, but I think probably closure above here would be a little easier. So yeah, we'll wait for that. So yeah, EJ is at daily resistance, difficult to buy at this range. Yep.
I went for that EJ, just low risk.
Good lad, Finny.
And it ran like 6 pips and spread got me BE.
That's a fucker. The same entry as Roche's?
Yeah, I just got it on the flip. I just did it really low risk because I don't know. It was you know, kept trying to do it and then it ran all the way back down. So I was like, oh, if it comes again, it might go.
Yeah. It's a shame with your spreads in it, man. That fucks you up quite a lot. That's why you're getting so many break
basically came all the way back to entry, so it clearly hit me.
Ah, right, okay, fair.
Spread might have just got it a little bit, but my EJ spreads are only like 0.9.
Ah, right, okay, that's alright then. That's okay then.
All good though.
Yeah, exactly. Not too bad.
It was a bit of a gangster.
Watching Savage's stream, taking all opposite trades and making 0.7% so far. Go Daniel. Daniel's cheap.
It's Warren's, mate.
Oh, active trade. Nice. Org. I mean, dollars there. He's not streaming right now. He's vibing. Okay. So yeah, we'll see, man. We'll see with this closure. Maybe this next 30-minute closing, but it's still a choppy area, man. So we'll see. Max, can you hit 10 pips to buy a new window blind? Yep, I need a new window blind. You're right. This one has been absolutely shagged by the last person who lived here, for sure. But right now, I cannot be fucking asked to put it up. A new one up. Ooh. Should I wait for the 15 or the 30? I'm just gonna have to wait for the 30 over here. It's still not nice though. Like here is choppy, man. Oh my god, GJ all week's been absolute fucking garbage. It's been so bad. Let's take a look. EJ is at daily resistance, difficult to buy at this range. Oh yeah. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see what the score is. Let's take a look at the hourly. The 4 hour looks good to continue bullish up, for sure. EJ was nice, finally. Look at how Roche is going for it. Roche is going for it.
oh shit, sorry. I just saw this big thing pop on my screen. The host muted you. I'm like, oh shit. Sorry.
What are you thinking about this, Bri?
Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know if the previous candle was strong enough. It's probably gonna go. I'm not in it, but see, this is what I hate when it's on there.
Yeah, 5 minute looks okay. 15 close. It's still weak though. I'd rather.
I would have liked if the bullish candle was bigger.
Yeah.
That's on the 5 minute.
Oh, on the 5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe wait for the 30 minutes to close.
Yeah. That's what I'm gonna
30
do.
minute looks good.
Yep.
Or if the 15 flips, right, depending on how big this goes down, to the weakest 4, we could get there and a little push. And then go to Asian highs, right? So the 15 also doesn't look bad.
Yeah, let's just push down a little further, I think.
But we'll need, okay, so it is the new 15 candle as well. See if this flips.
Going back down to 790.
Is a bit of a retest. Is a bit of a retest area now.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Getting in here with stop loss below would be 12 pips. It's flipping. Oh, really wanted to get on that flip over here. Wait a little longer. Stop loss below the previous would be 679. Yeah, it's still quite a bit. I like it to come further down a little bit and then maybe go 66 would be a good target as well. Okay, nice. So I think now let's look at the 5 minutes and come to that area again. Yeah, okay, nice. This is where I want the 15 to come to. So I think if this flips, we could be good. At least to the Asian highs. I might get on the break at the current high. Stop loss is going to be whatever it is right now. Let's take a look at this. So yeah, I got a buy stop over here. So 860. Oh shit. I think if we reject these lows now, we should be good to go. Anyone get on the retest there? Stop loss below.
Not me.
That would have been cheeky. Dun, 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 dun.
You going for this, Max?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going for it too.
8 pip stops as well.
Could go with it. Hopefully.
Yeah, I think it should be okay. I mean, if it comes towards the 30 though, I may leave it. We'll see. Let's look at the 1 minute. Are you in a trade, bro? Look what it says here. Buy stops not activated. Let me just get rid of this 1 second. Can you mark stop loss for this? Yeah, it'll be here. It'll be the current wick. Okay, I'm in over here.
Come on, break the highs and run instantly.
Stop loss is above the current low.
Stuff.
Yeah, because the 15 looks good, right? I'm also in this.
Yeah.
15 looks good to run up. Nice wick with a big bullish candle. 4-hour flips with you. What do you think? I don't like it.
It's slipped so bad.
Did you get slipped again?
My MT5 one gets slipped like crazy.
That sucks, man.
It's horrible.
I reckon we're gonna get this. Probably. Yeah.
Oof.
A 5 minute all week. To fucking shoot off.
Yeah, boy.
Come on,
Stopper's
give
not
us
too
one.
bad.
Don't give me all BAs again. Frick.
This wick was the only issue here. It was.
So, yeah, the 5 minutes making the low wick right now. It has closed above though, so it's still okay. Managing risk is going to be quite hard right now, so I just got to wait for it to push first, and then we'll see what we can do.
Not even a bad stop anyway, really.
Yeah, it's not.
It's good.
Get us a nice early morning trade, my boy GJ.
Here we go. 5-minute reflips. Should be on. That's already reflipped.
It'll probably just work out, but short-lived. No, yeah, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, resistance is holding it quite hard over here.
Yeah.
Does currency meter mean something on when you're on a trade? Currency meter? What you? I don't know what you're on about with that.
Currency meter shows the strength of the currencies.
I don't write.
That magic page Roger used, the Chinese indicator.
Oh, the Chinese indicator.
Yeah.
Oh, coming down over here. Yeah, we'll see. Look at the 1 minute. Yeah. This is big ass resistance. Well, that was a good opportunity though. We pushed a little bit. Still in. And out. Yeah. Wowza. That was looking good, man. But I mean, if you wanted to be a bit cautious in that area, then for sure it was the 30-minute closure, right? So I took the gamble. I thought it was good with the top wick, with the bottom wick. But we just couldn't continue over here, squad.
Yeah, it was another. We've gotten so many fake outs this last couple of days.
I
Again.
know. And GJ
No,
especially.
I closed that break even when we come back to entry.
Good
Yeah,
lad.
that's good.
Wanted that push.
Yeah, boy.
The annoying thing is it ran like almost 5 pips
I know.
at the start.
So wait for 6 more minutes, but I'm wanting a stronger closure now above. To be honest with you. So, let's see, 8 pips. So yeah, looking like it's messing around as usual this whole week for GJ. So we'll wait a little longer over here. Let's take a look at EJ. Goldie's coming down. Ooh, anyone looking at Goldie? Who are they gonna go for that? Oof, the 50-minute closure. Where was the retest there? So 776. If you got in there, which is what I was looking at, like there, stop loss below there. Yeah, you would have got your 10. Interesting. So yeah, we'll see a little longer. Let's look at the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, we've got a little longer to go. 30 minutes, got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. Ooh. I mean, Goldie, if it makes a nice top wick and then breaks the low, then I don't see why not, right? Could potentially look for that. Potentially. Gold Asian low. Yep, it's looking good. Ah, GJ, why have you been so boring all week, man?
You push if you draw a trend line on gold, we might get a retest out of it. Because you got 2 touches and then this candle just broke it massively. And the stops from here to here are 26 pips.
Well, from there to there?
Yeah, from the bottom to the top wick of the 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'd probably use that one, me, in the above the 4 hour.
And if you get the retest at the trend line, it will give you 14 pips.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking
That's
for.
nice.
Yeah.
And if it goes to there, it is ish a resistance on the 5 minutes. It's a little bit lower, but yeah.
Looks good, man. Looks good. Have you got the closure yet? No, 3 minutes left. Oh God, GJ. Painful. So yeah, we'll wait for this 3 minutes left of this candle, see if we can retrace up a little bit. GJ rejecting straight off my stop. Let's take a look. 2 minutes left. Yeah, I'm wanting this to retrace up, boy. Don't leave us. Don't leave us. Oh, I need to watch the Manchester City game. Fuck. Did Holland score? City. Ah, De Bruyne on a rampage again. Yeah, it was good setup on 4-hour flip, but might get stopped out break even. For people saying this is a range 1 breakout, whatever, yeah, I know it is. It's a harder trade than normal because you didn't wait for a 30 closure. But I was going for it because I've told myself I'm being more aggressive in London. So being aggressive in London pays out. So I'm happy taking this little like 8 pip loss. I don't really care. It's all good. So closing in a minute's time. Let's look at Goldie. Yeah, we'll see. Is there even anything on the 15 minutes?
Not on goals, right? GK.
Fucking hell. Spurs is winning the Premier League this year. Haha. Really? Really? We'll see about that. Joke of the day. How big does this have to retrace? It's quite a big retracement now, eh? 16 pips is not actually that bad. That's not too bad. So I'm gonna get out my Goldie over here and wait for this retest back on the trend line. We'll see. Looking like GJ's closing horrendously. EJ, yeah. These JPY pairs, I'm not gonna lie, are just not the vibe. Oh. Oh. Goldie's pushing down. Very nice. Oh, fucking hell, that area just horrendous. EJ is going to close on the 30-minute right now. Yeah, it's still a bit washed. Gold, yeah, we're looking at gold. We just need the retest, which is quite far away now, to be honest. This may just go. We'll see how far we can push up. I wonder where Jace is today, man. Jace in the building?
Not too sure if he worked. I think he worked evening last night. Yeah, so if he's not awake, then he's sleeping.
So the retest, I mean, do you think it's going to retrace all the way back to this trend line? I don't think so. I think it's going to probably retest back to 1690, to be honest. So I mean, you could get the 50-minute flip, break of the lows maybe. If you miss the retest anywhere, because I feel it's going to be quite hard to get it. Manuel, are you still waiting for the retest up here?
I think it's pushed up too much. Pushed down too much.
Yeah.
I'd wait, like you said, at the retest at 1790.
Yeah, 1690, yeah. On the 15.
Yeah.
Stop loss above. 22 pips. Yeah. I think that could be more realistic. We'll see if it pushes up there. No, don't break the low, Goldie. Ah, it's gone. Yeah, I need to wait for a retracement. For me personally, Ogre closes and EJ and GJ. Yeah, man, piece of shit. JPY pairs right now. No good. If you're all in when Savage went in for a buy, you'd be up 30 pips now. Would we? Looks like he is up. Actually, he's down right now, and his stop loss is fucking 300 pips. So.
Which means he's still down.
Yeah. So. How about new? Trust me, I am. Oh, opposite of Savage. Okay, okay. I thought Tommy was. Okay, he's doing the opposite of Savage. That could be the top wick. I hope it's not. I hope it can retrace a little higher, but it may just be breaking these lows over here. EJ coming back in the zone. Yeah. Is that the 30-minute close as well? Oh, it is. Yeah, nice. Let's see if we can get a nice 30-minute retracement. Come on, get your fucking ass back up. So we can go there. It could just retrace to. I think that would be quite nice. I might have a sell limit there. And then that would be stop loss above the previous, which would be 24 pips. Max, what formula do you use in your journal to show percentage wins? I use my brain. And it equals whatever the thing is times by 1.014, because that's how much I risk. Let's take a look at the daily. You think Asian lows that I could retest? Yeah. And that's also the 5-minute area. I don't have to sell them on yet. I'm going to wait a little longer, see what the score is. I might just get on the break at the 15 lows if we actually rake it. If it comes up. Yeah. So how much would it be on the stops right now? 7 pips. Anyone here watch MMA? Nah, I don't really. Watch some of the highlights. Raj is predicting euro rates. Ooh. Raj looking at euro? Damn. I'm not gonna lie, sell stops below this is probably reasonable. Yeah. We'll see how far we can retrace, see if we can get a higher entry, but if not, break of the lows is gonna be nice. After this retracement. We've still got that wick to fill as well on the 4 hour. Let me just put this here. 1680. Yeah, let's do 1690 right now. Do 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 do. Just doing some nice little retracements right now. We'll see what the score is, right? We'll see what the score is. Steeper wick, yeah. I think it's quite a nice wick right now, to be honest. Stop loss isn't too bad. We'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. I'll be looking to fill. Be down here. Yeah. Still got quite a while to come to that, to be honest. You eyeing it up, Manuel?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be tapped in because I have a sell limit here.
Yeah, right, the Asians. Where would your stops be? That's the only issue, man.
The stops I was looking at the 3 minutes, but I haven't been tapped in yet.
Yeah, remember to like the stream squad. We're looking at this Goldie over here. Comes up a little higher, 169.90.8 would be quite nice. Would be nice. So look at the 5 minute. Still, yeah, hasn't came there yet. Still got a little bit higher for this 15 retrace. Stops at 16 pips. Like in no stream with that elevator music. Oh my god, GJ, you are boring the fuck out of me right now.
Bad man.
That is garbage. That could be the hit. I want to come a little higher up, I think. I'm taking a sell on GJ if we flip closure back in the zone, in the range. Ooh. Very interesting. Could be good. How long for this 15? 5 minutes left. We'll see what the score is. Also, this is the 30-minute time frame as well, closure. So, yeah, I think if we break that low, we're gonna get some nice little pips over here. Are you gonna take on the retest? I can't really find my entry in the retest, so I might just get on the break of the lows.
JGG, maybe I'll closure above. Yeah, I'm waiting for that.
Yeah.
At least just for a recovery. That's. I like these 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And go everything to the left.
Yeah. Stop loss would be 15 pips right now.
And you've got 5 minutes left of the 15 as well.
So are you waiting for this closure, or are you getting in now on the regular high?
No, I'd wait for a closure because then we're closer to the Asian heights, right?
Yeah. Nice. Very good, very nice. Oh, is there any sort of rejections right now? Interesting, we'll see. Is a tentative red folder? Yeah, it's all day though, man. You can't really look at that. 5 minute break in the highs should go now, really. Go, GJ, go, go, go.
See, there's on the 15 is a bit of a channel, right? It's like I'm gonna draw it shit. but there's no charting pattern inside here to change direction. So that's why I was looking constantly for continuation. But obviously, GJ has been trickling again.
Yeah, for sure. It's been trickling all week. Literally, it's been garbage. Dude, let's look at this. Some comments here. For gold on the sell retest, I can't find the sells retest.
Are you going to be turned out of GJ if it closes too close to 166?
Depending on how it closes, Flynn, if it's underneath or nice and strong above, then there could be a retest trend, because then you got the retest of 166 and then you have the retest of Asian highs, right?
True that.
So it all depends.
Look at the level there at like 900, 910. That it's.
Well, if you look at the daily, there's a descending trend line that's broken above and it's formed small support on the daily chart. So
Yeah.
that's also a confluence that we're heading up, right? There's no change of structure heading down. So the only thing that can turn us is a key level.
Yep. Oh, the way it moves right now, I don't know if I want to get in the second time, to be honest.
It scares the shit out of
Look
you.
at this. Like, look, it's retraced again. Like, it's fucking garbage. Straight ass garbage. Still waiting for my gold to come down. Do, 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 do.
Might have just done that retest, maybe.
Also with this retest thing, like your stops would be all, like if you get in here, stops are going to be all the way up there. 27 pips, fuck that. I'll get the break of the low.
It needs to come back up to that trend line to do anything.
I'm waiting for 1692.3, 3-minute OB.
1692.3.
Top.
Yeah. Oh, GJ. Yeah, I'm gonna leave GJ. I'll let you guys do it. If I took a second entry and lost on go, I'll be pissed.
I'm just going to load 100 lot and get 2 clips, it'll be fine.
Literally. London has been hard. No, I think the JPY pairs have just been hard. What time does your live stream start? Normally like 6:45, 7 a.m. Yeah, 6:45, 7 a.m. So 50 minutes closing in 12 seconds time. 30 minutes still open, which is the one I'm looking at really. My sniper gold buys at break even. Oh, nice. Sniper. There still hasn't been like a 5-minute candle closing bearish yet. Oh, look at the 1 minute now. Break, boy. You've retested the left hand side, boy. What do you guys think on that?
I'm literally going to go make a coffee. Fuck this before I do something stupid.
Yeah, man. There'll be one time I will just rip up, but like it's just. Do you want to take 3 losses beforehand? Can you update the trading journal for the stream? Yeah, I will do that later on today. I only need to add like 1 more, 2 more. Yeah, JPY pairs are just ass right now, for sure. Attentive was at 4 a.m. Nah, it already came out. Already came out. 39 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream ups. Like the streams up, boys and girls. Let's see what else we can get. See what else we can get over here. I'm up like 5. I think I'm up like 5% for this week. After that trade there, I put like 4. So it's not too bad, but it has been very, very hard. So I'm pretty happy with my profits this week. First time here, so many things I don't understand. Go into baby pips, you'll learn the deets. You'll learn the deets. Do. 4 L streak, Connor. Have you taken 4 L's? What other trades are you doing without the boys? That's the thing. We've this week we've taken 3 wins, 2 break even, 1 loss. So if you just follow that, you'd be okay. Looking like GJ's coming up again, but I don't care. If this rockets 400 pips, I could not give it less of a shit about this GJ right now, the way it's moving. Top loss matters is in the building. Yep. Me too. I don't understand why this stream is not called top. Do you always risk 1% per trade? No, I risk 1.4 on GJ. So on that trade before, I lost like 1.2%, 1.1%. Yeah. And that's just the percentage that I'm comfortable with, right? If this continues back down, oh my god, I'm going to put a poll in who's got slapped on GJ this morning. I've seen DC hasn't taken many trades this week. It's because it's been fucking ass. Are
you still holding the gold?
Yeah, I'm still. I got 11 minutes left. I'm still happy if we break that low. Yeah. The stop loss is 18 pips.
I think I've never been in 2 pips loss for so long.
Yeah. Right here. Yeah. Where have you put your stops?
Oh, my stops now are very small. They're 15 pips.
Yeah. This week was trash. Okay, quickly get a drink. It'll be 2 minutes. I'll be back in a second. Yeah, we'll see how this 30 closes, because it might just be the Saturday play as well. So I'm kind of happy just holding that on, especially 8 o'clock open. Get a nice little drive. Max, I'm only minus 1.5% down and 4 trades lost and 1 break even. Proud of my risk management. Wow, that's amazing, bro. Very, very good. That's amazing. 1.4% down only for four losing trades. That's good risk management, man. What will be our final TP on gold? 1680 would be a nice wick to fill. So I'm trying to think here. Should I delete my sell stops and then add them back on at 8 o'clock, or should I hold them on? Because what if we get tapped here and then the 8 o'clock opens? I do not know. Hold. Should I keep it on? Well, we should be okay. We'll see. We've got 8 minutes left.
My stop's now at 5 pips, so if it wants to flip and go up, I'm gonna fuck a lot. I'll wait for the trend line.
Yeah.
I'm up the pips.
Guys, good morning.
Good morning, boy. Oh, the 30-minute time frame's coming down. 7 minutes left. How's GJ doing? Oh, still nothing.
Still shit.
Still fucking
It's actually moving like crazy. Gold, is it?
Delete sell stop. Yeah, I think I'll wait until the hourly, and then I may just take an impulse break at the low. You're right. We'll do that. Yo, Maxie, what's your target on Goldie? Someone's just had some fucking diarrhea over here. They just fucking shat themselves.
And Brian in his old age.
Yeah.
Fuck off. When's your next hair appointment then?
Or 4. Or plenty of it. I can go and have one today, tomorrow. When's yours? Are you gonna go on? Yeah, I've got this perfect attachment that I can put on my drill. It's like a shiny thing. A buffer, yeah. I'll give you a nice buffer.
One of my mates said on the golf weekend, he says if he bought a Sharpie and drew a line down, I'd look like a dickhead.
Sounds like him and I would get along just nicely.
What a fucking arsehole. I think you should go more for like an ombre look.
Ombre? Alright. I've got enough hair that I can cut half of it off and give you a full head.
How's the tropical weather, Max? It's better, man. I don't even have my fan on, man. I'm chilling. But I have bought an aircon thing, because I'd rather have it cool in here. Then it's like it just gets musty and just smells of fucking sweaty balls, if I'm honest. So I'm kind of sick of the smell of sweaty fucking balls. Oh no way! If this GJ doesn't work out for people, oh no, oh, no. Oh no! Mate, I'm gonna put a poll on who got fucking slapped on GJ, and everyone's gonna say fucking me. I knew it was a risky one, but I also knew that with the volume it could have been okay, but it just couldn't break.
It's just that risk,
nice.
man.
I know.
Oh, why did he say this? It's Brian as George Russell.
Well.
See, standard way.
I put it in the chat.
I just need to know who's George
Edited all the
Russell.
F1 drivers to fat bikes. It looks like Brian.
Look at Max.
You be
Look at
careful,
Hamilton. He looks like a fucking mafia boss.
Yeah, it does.
You be careful, boys. Your turn next.
That's Max Perez. Look at that. Max looks like Perez.
Oh, 3 minutes left. Fuck's sake. Oh, mate, this GG is gonna nut.
This is what happens. When it's boring, we slaughter each other. We're supposed to love each other.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck off. You're the king of it.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, we going GJ Souls?
I'm fucking not touching GG. I can't be asked.
Souls,
I mean, to be honest with you, you know, if this 15 closes bearish, makes a nice top wick, rejects again and flips, then I don't see why not.
Yeah.
To be honest with you. To be honest, yeah. Look at this GJ, this Goldie. Oh.
Gold is moving like a grandma.
Yeah. Like a fucking grandma.
How much? You'd be in decent profit by now, wouldn't you?
Oh, I'm up 6 pips at the moment.
Same, yeah.
That's right. Gold in 6 pips of profit right now.
And
I sell gold last night.
Goldie. Oh, look at that hourly time frame, Brian, man. I just think
I saw it, but he also got the range. That's the thing, it's rejecting the range.
I know, but it's just garbage.
And the thing is, we're also wicking above 750.
Yeah.
So it's, if you look at the 15 right now, you got a double top and a double bottom in 4 candles.
Yeah.
Which way is it going?
I fucking don't know.
You must ask the 8-ball.
I fucking threw that thing away.
Hey, Sashin's gonna be sitting here going, fucking hell, these shit traders, why are they not taking it? Gonna take one look at the chart and go, right. Fucking typical. I go on holiday, the charts are fucking sexy. Sashin goes on holiday, they're fucking wank.
How's Saxon and all his boys wearing their bum bags?
I said that to him yesterday. I was like, oh, Moonbag Gang.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Yeah, they have them for like.
Is that a thing in the UK?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't surprise me.
To store all your drugs.
Yeah, the pommies are a bit off, I think.
Yeah, they're strange fellas, eh? Like us, yeah. Someone's EJ cells look a bit at least direction and broken some structure.
Yeah, I mean, let's look at the 30.
Yeah, because look at the 30 on GJ though.
It hasn't broken
Oh,
any
now
structure
it's slightly
really.
better. It was bullish a second ago, like not massively bullish, but the 30 on, I don't know what,
Looks crap.
Yeah, I think EJ is slightly better. I don't know if it's great though.
I think gold breaking the lows is probably the best thing here, I'm not gonna lie. 18 pip stop.
Tell us what you really think, Connor.
Point.
Jesus, Connor's mad. He's very mad.
Mate, Connor getting mad every fucking day when he takes a shit trade.
Yeah,
Every fucking day. I'm having a word with him today. We can kind of go through it together.
Connor, you know what, man? Just grab it by the balls. You know what to do.
Exactly. Okay, so Goldie's coming back up.
GJ just gonna run up now.
I couldn't care less about it. I'm looking for the fucking sell stops here on Goldie.
I don't know. I reckon EJ's going to go, but
Let me just put this on.
Oh, EJ pulled up like your motherfucker.
I reckon the Oaks at Impulse are crying this week, man.
Mate, the impulse traders from the last 2
They've
months
sold-
are fucking.
They've sold their Xboxes, they've sold fucking Sony handy cams just to reap.
Mate, GJ has absolutely shafted people so many times today.
Thanks, Roger Banks, for bringing impulse trading to this industry.
Yeah. They've just lost the fucking house in like a week's trading. This is why, like, I think a lot of people in the past couple months, like, Max, you don't take many impulses, man. Like, what the fuck? Because I know it does this shit sometimes. It's fucking painful.
I don't want to sell my handicap.
Come on, break that motherfucking low, you pussy. So this is a celery play. Flip the hourly, break that lows, boy. What the fuck? You got no shorts on? I do have shorts on. Don't worry about it. I'm bollock naked in NY stream, not this one.
Serious, full on.
What?
Full on, serious. No wonder you stick to your chair.
Do your nuts hang low? What was that song that you're singing, Finn?
Do your balls hang low? Can you swing them to and throw? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? My girlfriend's looking at me like I'm crazy.
Oh, Tom is putting the ingredients together for the soup.
Oh yeah, he loves the soup.
Well, tell me when the fucking markets look any better, because I'm fucking leaving it alone.
Come on, Goldie.
I know, man. Fucking hurry up. This could be good. It just needs to bring that little volume in at 8 o'clock. Drive, bitch, drive!
I just want a bearish candle exactly like the one previous. Big one.
Yeah.
Like that, like big.
Big one.
Big.
Chunky boy.
Fucking chunky.
All the way to TP. Come on.
Okay, I'm in a trade and over here.
Oh.
Oh. Oh shit.
I'm break even. Let's do this.
Where did you get?
The flip.
Nice.
Dun, 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 dun.
1790.5.
You about to get BE, Rush?
Oh,
Yeah.
Prefer that than where I am right now.
yeah, me too, man. Just look at the
I'm
5.
not in this.
Cheers to that, Finn.
Sorry.
Yes,
It's moving a little too slow for me. I like it when gold's moving nice and fast.
Nice and tasty.
I'm just collecting BEs this week.
Yeah,
Same.
tell me about it.
Finn's passed it on to somebody else.
Good.
Fast out to someone else.
It's the BE baton.
19.4.
Just had the losses passed around to me.
Where's my TP? You look to the left, my brother.
You know what my girlfriend's watching on TV behind me, Max?
What?
That shit fucking that you watch.
Love Island.
Love Island UK.
Ah, yeah, boy. Man, it's good shit. It's good shit, I'm telling you.
Fucking shit.
Max, did your cell stop slip? No, didn't actually. It did not. What's Love Island about? It's just a bunch of people trying to, I don't know, each other on an island. It's not even on an island, it's in Tenerife, but or somewhere like that.
Fucking garbage is what it is.
No.
Who's in GJ sales right now?
I don't know, but
Not me. Don't think it's me. I need a closure below 750.
Oh yeah. Previous 5 close right on it.
I'm happy taking the 16 pip loss. I mean, it's just 8 pips really if it's on GJ, so I'm happy with that. I'm not asked. We'll see in the 5 minutes if we get any. But I still think if we re-break these lows, we're going to be good. If we do them, we'll have to see. I really think it'll start going though, and we should be good. So we'll see. We'll see about that. 56 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream up, man. Providing value every single day is what we do as a whole group. Come on, boy. Get this 30-minute to fucking go, you pussy. Re-break the lows.
Yeah, MJ will help us push this shit down.
Get the fuck down, Gold. You got a clean counter to the left. Just run, boy. Run. None of that fucking tap me in and retrace instantly. Hell no. None of that shit.
Probably gonna get this now.
Well, I do hope so. I'm happy with the stops though as well. So like, I think if this runs, we can run like pretty far. So 16 pip loss for a gain that could be 30 pips if it wants to stop pushing. The 5 minute. Still got a lot of time though, man. It's only 8 minutes into this hourly, so 0% selling opportunities during New York session. Wow, are you a mystic reader? Well, holy shit. I'll take that advice. It looks like for me, GJ's just in a shitty ass area. Dump Gold. Here we go. Fucking dump. Get past those little wicks, you pussy boy. Here we go.
Oh, baby, go down for yous. Kick.
Kick. Push. Here we go.
Oh, there you go. That's
Hey,
more
back
like
to
it.
blue.
Come
And
on,
back to orange.
Goldie, push!
Push. Push, Goldie. Push, Goldie. Right. I'm gonna manage risk. If we come back up to this fucking area here, I'm gonna close. 1689.6.
Hey.
Oh shit. Okay, so stop loss to break even. Should I do it now? Let's look at the 15. I'm okay right now. I need to get like 7-8 pips.
There's
Now-
Rosh. Is he mad?
But now I've moved my stops now, so my stops are pretty good. My stops are like 7 pips, so
No, I'm chilled.
go boy. Fucking go. Fly now, fly. Look, there's nothing there, bro. There's nothing there for you. Just go. Just go. You know you can go. Break that low, boy. Break that low at the 5. Break that low. Here we go, right?
Come.
Just break that fucking low, you piece of shit. Right, I'm going.
Yeah.
I'm going to stop us to break even. I think I can't be asked to hold this in the drawdown. There we go. If it takes me out of break even, then tough fucking shit. Go, go!
I'm on.
Oh my fucking god! It can't break that low on the 5.
This is so low for
Look at this
Goldie.
5. Go. There we fucking go. Finally, fucking hell. Beautiful work, squad. There we go. TP1 hit over here.
There was some sweaty balls there.
That was beautiful. I got my 10 pips. Woo!
Well done, well done, well done.
I don't even remotely get what price do you get in at.
Well, I closed at 9.5. I got in. I mean, you're probably gonna get it here anyway, Scotty boy. There you go.
Yeah. 8871. I got in.
Got 8.9. Yeah, that's right.
God's gonna hold this on.
You didn't even take it, did you?
No, I said Scott's gonna hold this on.
Ah. Nah, because I took the loss before. I think I'm happy to I've taken some off. The way the market's moving at the moment, it just doesn't. I don't know.
Yeah. You get your money and get out.
10.
See you later, honey. Bye.
Bye, Angel.
Love you.
Love you,
I'm not saying love you anymore because you guys fucking ripped me for like 15 hours straight.
Oh, come on.
Who cares what we think?
Yeah, exactly.
Guys, can I get some fucking dubs in the chat, man? That was a fucking hella trade, man. Oh my god. Beautiful work, squad.
Sweaty balls.
Nah, to be honest with you, it wasn't sweaty balls at all, really. I mean, I knew the volume was going to push it. It's just had to fucking take its time. And that's why you have, you know, the decent stops. Took a beautiful trade on gold over here. Look at the squad over here. Dubs in the chat. Let's go, let's go. We're in about 10 pips over here. See how far we can continue. 12, 13 pips. Nice.
If you took that in NY, you would have been at TP within 20 seconds.
Yeah, exactly. that would have been the Don trade, right? So that would have been exactly what Don would have taken. The NY. Yeah. And that's what we do, man. 67 likes, man. Run up the likes, man. That's what I do for you guys. We moved from GG. Yes, I took a little GJL, but we come back strong.
Come on,
Goldie. Get the fuck down, you piece of shit. You made me get sweaty balls on a fucking Thursday. Oh, shit! Yes. Fuck yeah!
That is more what I was...
That's what I'm talking
more
about.
what you want.
There we go. 30 pips hit over here. Fuck
Nah,
yeah.
I think a break even looks 10 times better than that.
Fuck yeah. Hold that.
What a trade.
Right,
Well
okay,
done,
so I
well
actually
done,
got
well done.
35 over here. Let me run this up. There you go. I close it straight after that plus. Fucking yes to the T.
So it gets rejection there. What the?
Yeah, man. Well, hit my zone. 1785, man.
So, I know you guys are happy about gold, but I think EJ might give us a trade now.
Do you know what, Roche? I'm gonna sit back and relax. I'll let you guys take it.
Why, you just got all the-
It's like takes one trade for the morning and he's
I
fucked.
don't fucking trust. I don't trust the JPYs right now at all. My TP got slipped. Nice. That's what we like to see. Ivan
Bank on that, Max.
Ivan says, yeah, I did, man. That was good for the runner. Ivan says, what an amateur trader, lol. Thank you, Ivan. I appreciate that. Thank you, lol.
Yes, Ivan.
Make sure you like the stream as well.
Ivan
Suck
must
it
have lost.
big, Ivan.
Fuck off, Ivan.
Look at that retracement. Oh, beautiful, man.
Who tried to hold that on? Someone definitely did.
Nah, up 35 pips. You gotta close something.
I closed.
Connor just said BE. Oh no, Connor.
Oh, Connor, please.
No way.
If you got to close, oh guys, man, it's gold. You gotta be fucking there, man.
Oh.
Well, that was awesome because I was in the kitchen and I came back and it just hit my TP of 30 pips.
Nice. Oh no, Mr. Daniel Savage is gonna be struggling over here. Oh no. Let's take a look at this. DC in any right now? It's DC.
I think he was EJ Stones.
Right.
Oh yeah, EG struggling as well, man. I'm telling you, JPY pairs are getting slapped. I'm so glad I put my attention to gold there. Oh my fucking god.
Out of it.
Yeah. I always say, and I say it, I preach this a lot, man. Obviously, like I know a lot of people do get some like re-entries here and stuff, but for the most part, if you get an entry and it didn't work out and it's just fucking around, you gotta just take it and leave it. I'll just leave it until it gets better. Because what I used to do when I was younger is I'd try and check, like, how many times could you have taken GJ buys today? Once, twice, 3 times, maybe on this reflip at 8 o'clock, 4 times. You know, you're just going to get slaughtered. Like, and that's an example where you can literally lose, like, Daniel's going to be gone over here. You can lose, like, fucking 6 trades in a row if you get a bit emotional about it. And that's, you know, it's a lot. How much do you make per trade? Well, I had a 5 lot on there on Goldie. And I closed
1692 entry.
Oh, Jason!
Yeah.
1692 entry. Wait, 92?
I had 1690.
1692, yeah.
Well, you got up there?
Yeah.
What the fuck did you get up there for? How the fuck did you do that?
Check the 1 minute.
I saw this entry and I nearly got in there, but my issue was the stops weren't logical.
Check the one. Just go on the 1 minute.
Oh my god.
Helicopter. Yeah, so I got that break of structure over there. On the 1. It was like
fucking hell.
Man.
Nice.
Fucking deep. I think I got like a 70% strength. I held my full position.
Nice.
Jason, I thought I was crazy with the 1 minute entrance. But, yeah. Even I would have taken it.
Nice.
Okay.
Daniel got clapped. That's what happens when you hold a trade on for that long.
Daniel Cabbage.
Daniel Cabbage. Daniel fucking Cabbage. If you like any of the Savages, I tell you right now, and this is me wholeheartedly, the only one that you should be really looking at who can actually trade is Dr. Dollar, okay? He follows the trend, okay?
Ooh, I got my 10 pips on DJ.
Oh, you stinking boy.
I was gonna say, did you get in on that?
On the 5-minute closure?
On EJ.
Oh, EJ.
On that retest. Buy limit there.
There?
Yeah, on that retest.
Stop loss below.
Yeah.
How did you get 10?
10 right now.
Yeah.
10, almost 11.
Nice. Daniel always gets claps. Well, it's like, you know, you can take some trades and stuff, but like it's just that for some reason the only thing that I don't get is my guy can talk on stream about managing risk and risk management. What fucking risk management parameter does he do? Tell me.
Yeah, ESO.
Yeah, stop loss. Wow, great. At least you have that. Fuck me. You know what I mean? You know, talks about it all the time. You don't close half when prices are going well. You don't put stop loss to break even when you're up 20 pips, which you did last week. What fucking risk management do you teach people? That's my only issue. Someone who's looking at the stream and looking at risk management, he's not getting absolutely jack shit from his stream. If he just did that, I'd be like, yeah, he's just taking some trades. He's a good lad. He's funny. Like, I get that. I get how it's entertaining, but I don't get how people can go, oh yeah, risk management, risk management. Fucking risk management is he doing? Nothing. Dr. Dollar puts stop loss to break even in like 10, 15 pips. When it comes to entry, closes, you know, all these kind of things, but he just doesn't do that. So that's why I'm just like, it's just bad for the beginners, man. That's all. His risk management is covering his losses with Signal subscription fees. Oh my god. Fuck. Yeah, so as I said, I'm just fucking leaving GG right here now. I'm just happy with my little gold trade over here. Very nice.
This news at 10, man.
When did you get in on EJ?
I said this news on GJ. Pound news at 10.
Yeah. True that. Let me put this on.
So that could be why it's been so wild.
Yeah.
Are we doing sim today or not?
We're gonna do sim on Friday. Actually, should we do it today? Oh yeah, we'll just do it today. Fuck it. I'd rather have my Friday off than yeah. I'll do the sim today. Why not? It's a bit of fun anyway, isn't it? And also, and the reason why I also want to do it is because GJ's acting like shit right now. I'd rather do it in the times where GJ's acting like shit. Because imagine if Friday's a good day and we miss a trade at 10:30 because I'm fucking doing the sim. This is probably the best day to do it.
Now you've said that, you know what's going to happen.
Fuck's sake. So yeah, I mean, so we were discussing the retest, and it was on a 5, and it was here on the Asian low kind of areas. The only issue for me was the stops. I think for me, those are the logical stops, and 27 pips is too big. That was my only issue. And also for the fact that we know that price can retrace back to the trend lines, that means I have to take like 12, 13 pips drawdown. So that was my only kind of things. So, Manuel and stuff, I know you said you had a 15 pip stop. Where was this then? Here? That?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's fair. It's above the trend line, right?
Levels. Yeah, I was watching the levels behind it, and it could come up to there to retest, or a little bit there. So let me just put an arrow.
Yeah.
Here, or here, or here. So I just put my stuff below, but above it, and it was 15 pips, so it was good. Now I want to retest on the trend line.
Oh
Yeah,
my god!
Actually,
look what Daniel's doing now.
I also want to retest.
Oh my god!
This is what he does. He takes a shit trade and then he goes and tries and gets a fucking 100 pip nut, so you can post that on his Instagram, get 10 signups, and also make his money back. I just looked at Daniel. Yeah, that's my last rant for Daniel. He's actually, he's a funny guy, he's an entertainer, but I just wish he did a bit more for the community. He's just there trying.
And he hasn't wrapped his Audi yet, so he probably needs money for that.
Yeah. Even though you had his fucking Huracan, why the fuck would you get rid of your Huracan for an Audi R8? To be fair, I mean, maybe a change.
Not being made anymore. They'll probably go up a shitload of value.
Trust me, he isn't getting the benefit of the car going up. He's fucking financing it, bro. The only thing he's getting is the fucking bowl payment he has to pay at the end, which he won't pay because he'll just go and finance a new car.
Probably leasing.
Well, yeah, of course it is.
Yeah,
and of course it is.
A balloon payment.
Yeah, and a balloon payment which he won't pay because he'll just move on to the next supercar, and then that'll be his new. Oh, look, this is my new toy.
The balloon payment just stays there.
Hey, you just
How
looking
could you
good,
buy
eh?
a Lambo cash?
Well, if you're getting paid 300,000 or 150,000 a month on mentorship, well, not mentorship, it's not even a mentorship, man. It's a fucking signal service. Then yeah, you can afford it. Sure, people normally spend about 10% of their monthly income on finance cars. So 10% of 150,000 is 15,000 a month. So that's why you can buy 3 Lambos. You could buy theoretically 3 Lambos because it's like 4,000 a month. And there you go. But for some people, for some reason, people just don't understand that, which just doesn't make any sense to me. What I would do, and this will happen eventually, like when I'm set up and stuff, I will make probably another YouTube channel and show you how to properly do it. I mean, I've already kind of talked about it and doing it with like the houses and stuff and renting them out, going through it step by step on that and show you how you should properly do it. Because eventually, Daniel may just get to a point where people don't like his fucking trades and they'd rather just go Dr. Dollar. So his revenue is going to decrease significantly. And now what's he got? A financed Lambo that he still has to pay. I don't know about, obviously, his financial situation in terms of, like, properties. But it would be good to see someone in the industry, which is what I actually asked Ted. Is like, when you do get a lot of money, what do you do with it, How would you go about it?
That's probably already happening that Dr. Dollar's getting a lot of these clients.
Yeah, exactly. That's why he's just bought his. But what I'm saying is, I think I would rather go at like the good way to show people how you should actually do it. Because if shit hits the fan, or I want to do something different, and my trading stops and stuff, now I've got 4 houses and they're all paying me £500-600 a month. You know what I mean?
I like the idea, man. I like the idea.
You like what? The idea?
Yeah. Oh, you're right.
Yeah. I think it's just very important to know these things, man.
Too many people sometimes make money but don't know how to do, or just save with the bank, but don't know.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Just the more regular people do.
Well, exactly.
Other thing that I want to tell you. The other day you give me a good explanation in EuroWest. He do it the same that you tell.
I've got that Rich Dad Poor Dad, which I'm gonna read, but it's gonna be quite interesting to see how much my dad's probably already told me, and I have a feeling it's probably most of that book. But we'll see if there's anything that maybe he's missed out.
You'll know that book.
Yeah, I know.
So I won't even put it past you. You'll know that book 100%.
Yeah. Which is, some people haven't had the, that what's it called? Some people haven't had that help, So I think it would be nice for me to do that for people.
was gonna say luxury, but I was wrong.
Luxury, yeah. No, it is. No, it is.
Yeah.
Completely.
Yeah,
is.
but it can be the context of the word could be taken up wrong.
Nah. Luxury. It is a luxury. It's a very situation, right? So looking like gold has tapped the 50-minute zones now. Oh, how's Daniel gonna manage risk on this one?
ASAP.
If it reflips, he might be okay, but it's closing in 3 minutes time. Oh my god.
Remember, he only takes 4 losses, so this is just the start, right?
EJ looking like it's blasting off. Still look at the 15. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy for this to run. I'm waiting for this whole area to clear, man. Like, I'm really not asked. Same with GJ. Oh my god. Let's put in this chat, right? Let's put in the chat. Let's as a chat. Who's been clapped on GJ today? And be honest. Who's been clapped on GJ? I'll do it today.
I got 12 pips now on EJ 5-minute salary play.
Ooh.
Nice.
Let's take a look at it. Nice, brother. Nice. Yeah. Is that with it?
EJ runs nicely, eh?
It came back to entry,
nice.
EJ. Like it did it, round 10, then came back to entry.
Did you take it, Finny boy? Just watched it. Yeah.
Watched it.
Oh, another thing, Finn. Just a little. I want to ask you, right? So, we got into this trade, right? We got into this trade, and instantly we went into drawdown. So obviously that put you off, right? That put you off. Like, fuck that. But then when we started breaking the lows again, did you not think, oh, I could just get in here now, and I'm at the same entry as the boys are, and it's pushing down now after making the hourly top?
100% I did. I'd be lying if I didn't say I was thinking about it. But I just like gold when it's got the volume behind it in NY, you know, and it moves a lot better.
For sure. That's true. I got
been hammered a few times in London.
Yeah. I got slapped 3 times.
I don't know, it's just a personal thing.
For sure. Okay. You guys all go on the poll. 61% of people said they didn't. That's nice. That means people have just left it, which is good. That's good. That's good.
Get on.
So yeah, we'll do the simulation later. I gotta update this stream stuff as well, actually. If there's anything else coming on, someone tell me. Nah, this fuck all. Okay, gold maybe reflipping. Maybe Daniel might be okay over here. To come back up to 1693. Could be okay. So yeah, let me update this stuff, okay? Let's take a look at the trades taken. So yeah, we took the let's take a look. Goldie boy, we took the EJ break even, which did go 10 pips for the people on the signals group, but anyway. That was good on that gold as well, man. My TP2 was like 25, but it fucking launched down to 35, so I got an extra 10 pips from that. That was nice. It's the first time gold's kind of slipped me the right way, which is beautiful.
It closed fully 28.
Good lad.
Don't wanna risk.
And that's good as well for later as well, because like, if you get like a black TED, sometimes the black TED stops at like 8 pips. You've got like now like 3 fucking attempts of them as well, which is tasty, man. It was a fake out, wasn't it? It was a closure back in the zone. It was on the it was on the break, the previous low. On the 15 full. Unfortunately, it was 0, even though it went 10 pips straight after, but it should have driven in that zone nicely. And then today we got a.
I think we could still have, like, we had a closure above on the 30-minute on EJ. So we could have a retest at 141, 342 for continuation up to that.
Jay, so where are you from?
Me, I'm from Africa, mate. I'm from the land of all the animals.
The lion.
The lions.
The lions. I'm the king of the jungle.
Wait, what animals have you seen?
Jason's had a lion, eh? There was a guy that was in the news that stole a lion cub in Cape Town. It was Jason. True story. There was a guy that stole a lion cub. It was
Right, it's always
like deadly snakes
associating
and
with
that
him. It's everything, mate.
Fuck
Everything.
that, mate. I'd be scared, mate.
They're not walking around.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, they're not
Yeah, but
walking
what if you
around.
leave your back door and
What?
that snake comes through the back and you're like, fuck.
You just throw the thing your dog or whatever.
Oh my god.
Mate, you go sit on your couch and there's a snake under the pillow or something. That shit,
Yeah,
I couldn't do it, mate. Fuck that.
That happens at my wife's holiday house. I think in the 2 years that we were there, like with COVID, I think I killed probably about 10 to 12 snakes.
Where was this?
Sedgefield.
Oh yeah, but that's not like.
Because the house is on the dune by the beach, so it's the snakes just crawl there, mate.
Yeah. Or you just buy Jack Russell and it just fucks up any smoke.
Nah, that's why I have one. They fucking mean.
God rejecting.
Did Daniel close? Oh mate, if he didn't close anything here, he's gonna get fucking. Oh no. If he loses this trade now, oh no. Nah, it should be okay.
Gonna change to a Kia Picanto one of these days.
Yeah. Oh, look at GJ, man. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh yeah, so DC got the EJ sell loss, man. That's unfortunate, man, but it's hard. It's hard. So let's take a look at. Oh, sorry, I didn't even actually look at like the trades taken. So, dude, my fucking thing. 70% win rate. That's not bad. That's not bad. You guys stink that week, man.
Oh, okay. You guys in on gold?
Yeah, Black Ted sell.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Are you in, Scott?
Nah, I'm not.
What the fuck? How the
I
fuck?
was actually looking at it at the time, but then I had mine. Oh yeah, I see that. I had
Wait,
mine
where's Black
slightly
Ted
different.
one? I'm sorry, I've just drawn this. This has been here for a while. Is this the Black Ted line? What but it's all the way up
the
there.
Yeah, that's the one.
But where the fuck is your stops and where's your entry?
Listen, my entry is 1693. My stops is 1693.90.
Yeah, I was thinking more like that. I know it's technically the other one's probably better because it's the ultimate lows, but this had more touches along that pink line there, and that's where I was looking at it. And I was like, well, I didn't even measure it to be honest. What the stops were to have your stops up there if you got in somewhere around there. That's like, yeah. So the stops you could have had like 10-ish pip stops or so, but yeah, no thanks.
Yeah,
but yeah.
Let's see. I hope Daniel's closed some. Does anyone know if Daniel's closed some? Because if he takes that little L there, man, he's gonna go to rampage. He's gonna take some GJ trades, and it is not the day to take GJ trades. I tell you that right now. Oh my god. Wait, let's take a look at that poll. 62% of people said they didn't. 38% of people said yes. 38. I wonder how many people are in negative for this week. I think it's going to be a substantial amount of people.
Negative?
Yeah, well, obviously we're not because we're fucking good. We know we're chilling. But like, I know a lot of people taking the impulse GJ trades this week would have been slapped.
I tried to.
Basically BA this week.
Yeah, that's not bad. You missed a couple of moves out of Infinity Boy.
Yeah, I've taken a couple of extra ones though, but
yeah,
taken a lot of BEs and.
Yeah, that's good, man. But that's the thing that we always used to talk about when the week is shit. What you got to change is not taking a minus 10% week. You got to take a break-even week, right? And then that doesn't fuck your equity curve.
I'm so stressed about the equity curve anymore. Anyway.
Well, yeah,
I used
I mean,
to be so uptight about it, but now I'm getting better.
for sure, I think you come like especially if you're taking your own trades and stuff as well. All you want to do is be right, and if you're correct in a move, and as long as you like, if you're not correct, you know you're not correct, and you can get out quickly, then you know it's gonna grow, right? So
yeah, for sure.
Right, I mean,
See, if that gold trade, you know, was in 3 or 4 hours,
yeah,
I would have been balls deep in that.
Yeah, but you see, I'm the same with you on that. But like, I don't like gold in London. Like, and then obviously this GJ's great in the morning. GJ's shit in NY.
Yeah.
I don't trigger a GJ trade in NY. Like, if I do, it's got to be a very good setup. You know what I mean?
For sure. I agree.
So I fully agree with that, 100%. Like, I don't trigger gold in the morning. I'll only do it at NY, and no gold in NY, and obviously, no GJ in NY.
I think to be honest with you, I barely trade gold in London now. But the only reason why I did that one is because we were so clean below.
Yeah, but that's what I was saying. It's got to be a setup that you've seen regularly, or something that's got merit behind it. You know what I mean?
Yes, guys, I know I've got a fucking rig. It's coming off. I'm telling you, right? Give me until September, and I'll have a fucking sexy ass rig.
You're saying that for months, man.
I know, but now I mean it. Yesterday, I was very healthy. I went to the gym. I did like 100 lengths.
Then you ate 4 kebab?
No, didn't. I didn't have any food after. I went to bed crying because I was so hungry.
What time do you have your first meal?
So if you do the sim, it'll be after the sim, so like 12 o'clock. Not 12 o'clock, sorry, 11.
Yeah, that's
it's not that I
fast as long as possible in the morning.
Yeah. I don't feel hungry in the mornings, man. I don't feel hungry in the mornings. I'd rather just wait until later on.
What are you drinking in the morning? You have sugary
coffee. I only have one sugar in a coffee and water.
Yeah, that doesn't help though with your fasting. It stops you fasting.
So no sugar.
You need to have a black coffee if you can have
I'm not having an arsehole breath of fucking black teeth. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, but if you drink proper coffee, black coffee is good.
Yeah, if you have proper coffee, like good quality coffee, black coffee.
Bro, I like fucking lattes and cappuccinos and shit. Not fucking.
Yeah, so do I.
That's why you've got a fucking rig.
It's red milk. It's red milk. Do you know what red milk is? Do you guys have that here?
That's more than a crime. Fucking having red milk. May as well have no milk.
Red milk's like the red milk's like the healthiest. Like it looks like it's
fat free.
Yeah, fat free. Yeah,
it's basically water.
It's liquid.
It is fucking water. It's horrible.
Yeah, but I'm changing, right? You should be like, yeah, but actually, you're doing well. No, I get you got a fucking fat rig and you eat shit.
And then you're crushing it.
Fuck's sake.
Actually, you're losing it, eh?
Yeah, he's going off the rails, boy.
You're losing the plot, mate.
Right, do you know what? I'm just gonna fucking sniff all day then and not eat anything. How about that? Yeah. Oh my god, the actual air coming through the window isn't fucking hotter than the inside. That's amazing. First time in like fucking 4 days. Oh my god. I mean, I might have to set my fucking aircon back now. I don't need it. It's fucking 150 quid as well. Sake.
You just wait, because they say that on Sunday we're gonna have a heat wave coming in, and they expect 45 to 50 degrees here in Portugal, so you might get a little.
Let me check the next 4 days actually. Yeah,
it's gonna be hot, mate.
Oh fuck.
27, 28 on the weekend.
Well, the weekend I'm not doing any work, man. I'm fucking partying on the weekend.
Somebody in the group live in Portugal?
Yeah, Manuel.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, nice. Me too.
Portugal. I like to go holiday there, man. Can you go and buy ganja at the shops?
Just call me, I gift you.
Call me, I gift you.
Exactly.
Oh, I love that. I'd have to smoke a doob next to the fucking pool in the hotel. Oh, mate, that'd be so sick. That'd be amazing.
But you can't roll it, mate.
I'll try. I mean, I can roll it, but it is like horrendously shit, and I'd get rinsed for it. But it does still work.
You know what is the best way to do smoke? I think it is like in the glass. You make a little. I don't know how to tell, but in the top of the coin, put there and put the glass.
Glass. Do you mean
Yeah, like
a bong?
No, like you want me? I put my camera. I want to show you.
Take a look.
Please tell me he's got a shirt on. I can't handle this anymore.
Yeah, like that. You see, like you put.
Oh.
What's that,
Put
sangria?
the glass like that in the. You put the ganja in the coin.
A coin?
Yeah,
Basically,
the coin.
you burn it, put the cup over it, and drink the smoke out of water.
What?
Fucking,
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Really? What, you drink it?
I don't know, that's what it looks like.
Drink like that.
And the hashish start browning.
Ah.
Put the glass on and drink it.
And you do it like this, look.
Ah. Okay, yes, it's like a little. I used to, well, at home I used to use an apple. That was great. I used to love using the apple.
But
The apple was
only
great.
we
Yeah.
hash.
Joey, I agree. I'm starting to think twice about this boys' trip.
The barley trip. The barley trip. We'll play some golf. I'll just spike your drink, Brian. I want you to get a fucking camera, Brian. I'm sick of looking at your fucking bald head picture.
I'm not buying any more shit for
Get
this.
a camera.
Brian, get a camera in it.
Yeah, I want to see. I want more cameras on here. No one has the fucking cameras on. People don't like it on YouTube, I think. I want a camera.
We're traders, not models.
Listen, I only use my camera when you get paid for the OnlyFans. So you can't go to generate some money. It comes at a cost.
Max said he's gonna buy everyone a camera. That's cool, and I'll take it.
Brian spikes his own drink. He did it at the last golf tour. Wait, did this guy do a golf tour with you? Clive Batterson.
Are you not the guy?
He was with.
He was with you.
I was with it on the golf trip.
I mean, the AJ cell.
Chilium, no. You're on an AJ cell.
Yeah, on the 15-minute closure below. No, I got it on the flip, yes.
Yeah.
So 15.
Clive's the one that says you must buy a new blind, mate.
Yeah, check GG. Maybe a
Jason don't miss nothing.
I'm not touching it, man. If I'm genuinely serious, if this ran down in here, I wouldn't care less. I'd rather look down here and then take some trades. I'm fucking sick of this shitty ass zone. It's been in for like 3 days.
Hey, you grabbed 30 pips today, no need stress, innit?
Yeah.
AJ's so fucking slow, man. Jeez.
Let's look at the 1 hour. The zones on the JPY pairs are fucking wank. I'm sorry. Like I can't like. I just look at this. Like it's just. I'm not touching it. Only Africans fans. Hi Max. What is Black Ted line? It's basically a thing that Jason's came up with 5 minutes. There's a really good one yesterday which I nearly caught. I was about 10 minutes too late. Let's just go for it because it was pretty fucking sexy. Where the fuck was it? Was it there? No, it wasn't. It was there. Okay. So, basically, it's when a 5 minute has a trend that it holds. Obviously, this is with the higher time frames, etc., etc. So it was holding this kind of area like this, right? So you can see that these wicks are all holding. This has got like loads of touches, right? Okay, and then we've got a closure above, right? This bullish closure. This is also with like a 30-minute closure, rejecting the lows. So now what I was doing when we learned the TED was I was taking a buy straight here when this like reflipped and broke the highs, which is stupid, right? The trend line is where price likes to touch. So then price came back down over here and then touched the trend line. So taking a buy there after the support has been held. You can either take it when it touches or like maybe when a 5 minute closes doji. Stop loss below 8 pips, and a lot of people in the group took this trade. 60 pip gain. TP1 was let me just do it on this. TP1 was, you know, whatever you fancy, probably come back to them highs. TP2 was, yeah, here. And then TP3 was these resistances here. And then TP4 is just the highs. So it's when you get a break of structure on the 5 minute, obviously with the higher time frames and the 15s and the 30s, etc. And you get back on the retracements. You know, when you get a nice little move. Where was the other one? There was another really good one that we took yesterday but didn't work out.
Yeah, because it was out me.
Yeah.
You know what, Max? When you
Oh,
were on
wait.
holiday,
Yeah.
the guys used to phone me, man. They call me, hey, man, get out the stream. But now when you're back, nobody's calling me.
Ah, that's fucking shit. Nah, man. They don't need you, Jace. You keep on. You can take these fire trades, man.
You said you were tired, Jason, and you were going to bed yesterday.
Yes,
so...
because it's you guys in why, you know.
Yes, but it happened before in why. That move happened
Oh.
before.
Who the fuck is that? Is that actually Jason?
No, it was another guy, but he was fined a lot of money and he almost went to prison, man.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Man, you should.
I just call him Jason because Jason does everything illegal. If you want a TV, guys, just hook Jason up.
84 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream up, squad. Euro pairs might range till interest rates make sense. Yeah, for sure.
Manuel, were you in on that black tape? I'm sure you.
I'm up 10 pips at the moment.
10?
Yeah, I didn't get at the previous trend. I didn't have it on. I had.
Guys, can you go through this black TED for me? 'Cause I can't fucking see it.
Okay.
I have the line I have is from. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Yeah,
and the 5 minutes close below it. Yeah.
That one there.
So.
Yeah, but this is what I had. Remember.
Did you take this drawdown or did you wait for this top wick first?
No, I took that drawdown.
Okay.
Shit.
So
Anyway, so I had Max untested north.
Yeah.
So that is my zone over there. You know, that is what I look at.
Yeah.
So when we rejected that resistance, it rejected it quite strong, and we played in that area. So when we retested that bear candle, I got in at 1693, and it just rejected, closed below the trend line, and black did just continued tanking.
Nice.
But remember, we had our break of structure earlier. You even got in on the rollover as well. And I was waiting on the retest because it was untested.
Yeah.
So
yeah, beautiful, man. I see it now.
So that was just a magnet. So that was just a magnet for price to come back to. So we had to reverse wherever we were going to drop down to. So
and that was also wow, that's nice.
Continued. It was tasty, man.
Well done. So Manuel, fucking hell, you guys have milked the Goldie this morning. Look at that, 28 pips. There's a trader talking rubbish about you. His channel is yes, thank you, MA. I nearly got caught out there. I was thinking I was gonna log on and fucking give him a lot of hate, but anyway.
Nearly.
Send in the troops. Let's go check it.
Yeah, man. EJ, sorry. Yeah, I'm just so. Yeah, it's hard, man. It's hard for these JPY pairs. So let's actually generally go through someone who is maybe new and just tried the impulses and got emotional and did actually take everyone. So the first thing here was that this was the resistance, right? So we got slapped here. It's fair enough. I took my 7-8 pips loss. Okay, I'm fine with that. And that's me done, right? Apart from waiting for maybe a 30 strong closure up here. So let's just say you took that trade. Then you took this trade here on the break of the highs there again. Then you lost another 14 pips. Then you got in maybe on the flip at 8 o'clock. So you probably didn't get in this one. You probably maybe got in on the flip at 8 o'clock. And then you would have lost another, yeah, you'd have just lost like 42 pips. Like, what the fuck is this? So, love you, Max Banner. Don't worry, brother. 90 likes, amazing work.
Can I quickly ask something? Do you guys' terminal have a bottom wick on EJ on a daily?
Let's take a look.
Mate, I've got probably one, but it's like probably.
It's tiny. Yeah.
Very, very small.
Yeah.
Tiny.
On the daily.
Yeah.
There's no bottom wick. You fucking.
Yeah.
Man, there is one.
I've got.
There's a fucking.
Oh, there is like a.
Minuscule.
Yeah, like a hairline, man.
Because I've got in cells on EJ now with the order block, so I want to know if I must just wear more or less.
Yeah.
If I can target that daily flip. That'll be huge though if it happens like that.
Bloody hell.
Look at EJ. So I hope Daniel did actually close some positions over here because he's just lost if not.
Jeez,
And I have a
finally.
feeling he probably didn't close because he's trying to take that massive trade to then go, oh, I just. So I think he probably lost that one.
I'm watching his, because his stream is closed, and I'm watching. Did he manage? Did he not manage? And his TP1 line did not get hit. And from there, it just dropped. Yeah, and the guy is saying, if you are in this trade with me, if you are in this trade, if you don't like it, get out. And then it starts going up, and it starts celebrating, and now it starts to go down, man.
It's because you're just going counter trend, right? With absolutely no confidences to go up. Like, what did he have? I mean, he had the 30-minute and the 15, which is fair enough. But like, you got to close some positions there, man.
What he uses is those fucking SMA lines. What the hell it is? And when he has one candle closing above one of the SMA lines, he enters on the buy. Yeah. And
but like, look, can you see how easy that is there to close positions, right? You're right at resistance, just close some. That would have been a nice, nice little trade over there.
Also, there's a little trend line over there as well. So, I obviously got in below the trend line, so I would have managed as price closed above it. So that is normal.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Ninja, what's your actual name before I keep on calling you Ninja? And it's a bit annoying for you.
I prefer Ninja, but it's
okay, I'll do Ninja then. Did you take the gold retest as well?
Gold. Yep. So my entry style was a bit different. M30, there was an OB, if you look. Yep, right there, just at the top. Yeah, there. Yeah. This whole M30.
Yeah.
Then I sent a picture in Telegram to make it easier to see how that
let's take a look.
So after the M1 closed bearish like that, after tapping the M30 OB, I just entered once it tapped again into the M1 zone. And as it broke the low of that M1, as you see, that's when I entered.
And your stop loss above. Wow, your stops are fucking sexy.
That's ridiculous.
That's nice. I mean, it makes sense though. Like that, if it comes against the OB and then closes bearish, then why not, right? It's good. It's good shit. So, but then your risk to reward is huge. Then, like, I mean, you got 7 pips stop and you're up like 30 pips.
I'm looking at this now as well. Mexico on the 5, gold. Just stay there. So sorry. So I got that trend over there, and then I got an inverted head and shoulders charting pattern. So that is also now what I'm looking at. So I closed some of my position now only because that was my target.
Yeah, for sure.
So, man, I'm loving the 5. It's my playground, honestly.
Yeah, it makes sense though, especially with gold. I think gold really respects it, especially when it's got volume. Man, it's got volume. It's good shit. Because like here on gold, if you try to re-enter there, the 15 had no top wick, so you're probably waiting for the next top wick and then break the lows there if you want to get another 15 stop loss above. Yeah, it's nice. Really good work, squad. Let's take a look then at Discord, see if anyone's put any charts in today. I need someone to do some of the Discord, man. I want to make it, more interactive and stuff like that, but it's just I just don't have enough time. I literally don't have enough time to like do that. Okay, so like Gladly over here and beautiful. This is GJ yesterday. Well, Roshi boy.
I'm gonna go. So check you guys on NY.
See you later, NY, my man.
Cheers, take it easy, man.
See you later, brother.
See you later, Rosh.
So sells below 165, 677. Nice. Yeah. This range crap. Same thing as today. Really, just leave it alone. Fake out buys back in the range. The zone is choppy, man. If it was clean, like if this wasn't here, and you just had like this and maybe that bullish candle there, then yeah, but it's just too choppy to play in that area. Let's take a look at the next shots over here. Very nice. Oh, so you're wanting buys of 41 and 463. Yeah, for me it's a no-go. I'm just waiting higher up. This zone's too crap. 14700. I think for me, sells below there would be a little bit of an issue because of this left-hand side. Let's move it here. Big resistance. Can you see you'd be selling right there? Selling into them wicks and to that resistance. So I think I'd want it lower, probably there. Yeah. Probably there. 93 likes today, amazing work. Let's take a look. Like, you don't need to throw shade to anyone to shine, there's enough sun for everyone. Yeah. I think the only reason why I get annoyed with some people is because I just feel that the industry as a whole. I just feel like when I was younger, like, he could have really like fucked me up, and I just don't think it's the nicest way to do it. And he knows that. That's the issue. He knows this. That's, you know. It's not like it's personal. It's just that it's just not nice for like new traders. I just want them to learn properly, right? Yeah, GJ still for me. I think this area just as a whole is completely garbage. Max, can I help you? I can help you maintain Discord channel. I will DM you. Yeah, I like some, because obviously a lot of people here use Discord. I don't at all. I only use it to play games with my friends, right? So I don't really know what I should have in it, which people would like. You know, because there's 2,000 members and you can do like fun stuff. We can, you know, do some things, but I don't have any creativity pretty much, and I also can't be asked to like manage it and shit. But yeah, if you make it like I don't know what people would want to use it for. GJ finally coming down, nice. Wow, oh god, just like finally some like 5-minute candles that are actually like reasonable. Right at the daily flips, take a look at the daily time frame. The daily's about to flip now. Looking good, maybe for some sells later on. But as I say, this area is still a bit choppy, so I'm just gonna probably wait below. Let's take a look on the left hand side. Yeah. What?
Goldie.
Oh. Look at that hourly. Look at that top wick. Shom.
Goldie, my god, so nice.
I think this is probably one of the best days I'm having on gold, and I took 2 trades on it.
Nice.
So I got the first sell and the second sell. That is insane.
Which sell? Which sell did you take? My sell, or not a different one?
No, I got way up above.
Oh yeah, up there. Yeah.
Yeah, I got up. So,
nice.
93, no?
93, 69 was the second entry. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice trade, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Nice.
Thanks for the call outs, Elo here. You just give me that target, I'll get that entry.
I love that.
What do you think, Bri, for this? Are you still not entertained?
No, I got in a small.
No way, on the 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, I close it with
Here?
Yeah, right there, mate. Spot.
Really? Yeah, I was thinking that's probably where you'd want it, right?
I just wanted the recovery. That's all it was.
11 pips. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's I think the only way you could have really got in after that 5-minute close bearish below.
No, I'm not looking for another trade now. I gotta do NY.
Yeah, this area as well. Also tapping the daily flip, and also Asian lows.
6. That's a
And
guy.
there's also an
OG.
ascending.
Oh.
There's also an ascending trend line on 4H. So it's hard.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You've got that, then you've got that from the daily. No, it's fine. You got that going up. You got that from the daily.
Yeah.
There was a channel on the 5. So it's just in a bit of a stick.
Yeah.
But if I can sneak those 10 pips, I'll fucking take it.
Bro, it's taken me like 30 minutes on AJ for 10 pips.
30 minutes.
That's why I fucking left it.
30.
I don't even have AJ on my charts anymore, mate.
People in the YouTube, could you, if you guys have any questions of, could you have any questions for like what you'd want me to bring to the streams to do? I want something different. I want to be different to the other streamers, man. I want to do something fun, enjoyable. So if you guys have any, I'm gonna have a think as well over the weekend of what we could bring to make this fun. I don't want. I don't want like spinning the wheel. Oh, you get a free membership for a month. I'm not doing any of that shit because it's not fair on people who paid, right? I'm not doing that shit. But like, I'm trying to think of something else.
With them strippers on the stream.
Strippers on the stream.
Yeah. Listen, just check gold. Look at gold. It's just respecting that. Just go to gold 5.
Yeah.
So like I mentioned, that neckline over there, that area, and then I have a little. So those that are looking at, just get that crazy.
You make pips, that's fun, Max. Yeah, that's true. But I want something to be unique, right? Like what are the reasons? What? Go gamble money for fun on Poker Stars. I want to do something educational, like something like, I know it's boring, I suppose, yeah, maybe just going on fucking Poker Stars and playing a hand of poker would be, don't know, I'm trying to think. I was thinking doing a DJ stream on here, that'd be fucking sick. I don't know how I'd set that up though, but that would be pretty fucking fire. Cause I've got the decks. I could do a...
Any DJ?
Yeah, I can DJ, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I did it for uni, like 3 years.
Oh.
Who? What's that?
Done.
I don't. Who's in a trade? I've just got some pioneers, man. The beefy ones, they're like a K. They're pretty beefy. I forgot what their name was. There's too many fucking digits in them. Is that Jace?
Yeah, what Jason?
5 minute might be retracing. Yeah, it's probably a good time to take some positions off if you haven't already yet.
I actually closed my full position on gold
nice one.
because of that reversal and also the retest of structure.
Teachings of basic jargon, meaning of break-even, TP, etc. I'm new. Luckily, I have Brian to help me, but if I didn't, I would have no idea what was going on. Yeah, okay. I think I've had loads of questions about this. I gotta start making these beginner videos, man. Yeah, I want it all to do. And the thing is, like, I'm just so picky, right? I want to be able to film it like beautifully. I need an editor to edit, so, and I want like a proper nice camera to do it and stuff. And because if it's done properly, it's gonna be amazing. If I do like little half-hearted, little shitty-ass videos, it's not gonna do well. Maybe I'll try and do like one a week, which is proper. So like, what is MetaTrader? What is, you know, spread ban? The complete fundamentals. What does break even mean? What does TP mean? What broker should you use? And what broker should I use? I would disclaim at the start, I am affiliated with a broker, so I'm not going to talk about them, but I'll talk about what a good broker does. Yeah. I think I need to make a plan. I want to make it structured though. I want to make it like a, you know, the first part is like the setting up your forex thing. Next thing is the, you know, first jargon terms, right? Third thing is what is support resistance, or what is, you know, GJ. Why would you trade some pairs and not others? I need to do all that kind of stuff. No, that's too basic. Yeah, I know, but that's basic with the people who have no idea, right? Whereas if you have an idea, then just come to the fucking streams, right, and join the mentorship if you want a bit more. I think that's the thing that I need to
Yeah, I personally think, like it should just start off with the terms, you know, like
I
like
do
if you
all
are a beginner, like you need to know, like before even going to MetaTrader, before knowing anything about the pair or anything, you need to know the terms. What is a candle? What is a candlestick? Like you need to start there, man, you know.
Yeah.
So once you know all the terminologies, now you can open up a chart to obviously visualize like what theory it is that you went through. And yeah, after that you can start with like your support, your resistance, which is obviously a support of your terms, your different forms of support and resistance, etc, etc, etc.
Yeah.
And then after that, so I think also in terms of that, if you need to teach that to someone, it also shows how lazy they are, because that is something you need to embark on your own. You know, you need to go and seek things like that.
Well, exactly.
So
what I'm saying is, for people, like, in terms of that, I could just have a fucking whole folder. They just go bash on YouTube, and then they've got it all. Whereas Baby Pips is for beginners, but Baby Pips, you have to read it, and you have to actually, like, you know, if you're like just sitting there and listening, right? If you listen, I suppose it'll go more. And it's also more. Baby Pips can be very much like, it doesn't really tell you the start things. Go, this is a fucking flag pendant. Like, you don't need to know this shit. You need to know like what Raj has taught me, like, from the basis. Then you can kind of skip that bullshit of, oh my god, it's a fucking descending pendant trend line, I need to take a sell right now even though there's no confirmation. You know what I mean? Like, kind of skip that bit. Yeah, we'll see. The day just goes so fucking quick, man. So yeah, I think I may leave it off over here, guys. Now, no trades we'll take now, but yeah, well, for the morning, that gold helped me significantly with that nice little push and my nice little GJ loss that we took. So yeah, I think Also, Donvo is doing a baby pips guide, but written. Yeah, I don't want to do the written. I think a proper an aesthetic. I mean, I'm not aesthetic. I'm a fucking ugly cunt. But like a nice like thing in the background and like a nice camera, like focused properly, and like going through it, all edited properly, so like it'll switch from my face to the screen and stuff. I think doing one of them a week would be interesting. Connor, did you take that gold trade and close some, or did you not? Did you not close any? Look at GJ, finally moving. Buy limit and sell stop. What's the difference? That's a great question. Good lad, Connor. Right. This is a good question. This is the one question I'll just do before I leave. What's a buy limit and a buy stop? What's the difference? Okay, so a buy stop is when price. So let's just do an example over here. Everything's bearish, but anyway. Okay, so a buy stop would be a pending order. So let's just say we had one like here. Okay, a buy stop means that when price comes to that level, it's going to put me into a trade. I'm not doing this, by the way, guys. It's just an example. It'll put me into a trade for a buy, and there you go. So execute a buy at that price, okay? A buy limit is where you're taking a buy. You're taking a buy when price comes down to a certain level, okay? So, like, if I wanted to get on the retest at the support, that line there would be a buy limit. Price is coming to it and tapping me. So it's actually bearish right now, and it could tap me in, and then that's a buy limit. So buy stop just means above the candles, or above price. Okay, and buy limit means below price. Okay, so we only use buy limits and sell limits when we're doing retest entries, because we're buying on a bearish candle. Okay. Okay. That's a good question, though. Very, very good question. Strategy takes. People may ask what's a pending. So people may ask what's a pending order. Yeah, a pending order is an order that is set on a price that will execute when you're there, but not obviously like straight away. It's when it comes and taps it, then you're going to be executed in. I need to fix my trading psychology and can't find anything to help me out on it. There's a lot of psychology things in my drive, and some of them. One of them was quite aggressive actually. I think who was it to? We'll go have a look. Basically, I was in London one time, and some guy in the thing says, "Oh, I've just blown my account, man. I feel really shit, and I need you to really help me." I'll go, right. I'll go for a webinar, and I kind of went ham because you have to have the, it's all good like, oh well, you can help your psychology, but you have to be straight up, right? If you don't get this right, you're fucked. So I think it was. Take a look. I think it was. Was it this one? Look at this, 54-minute video on psychology. And that's only one of like fucking 4 psychology. Next psychology webinar is coming out tomorrow.
Webinar. And we're going to be going through our psychology webinar. This is the second one that we're going to be doing.
Yeah, so I think I go through in depth, and I explain it. It's not just like going to so we went through like this thing. This is actually in the Trading in the Zone book of what you know, showing where you're actually at right now, and then we go through. Hold on a second over here. So the confidence issue, the greed issue, the times of things, all this kind of thing is gone doing that. And in this one over here, we talk about psychology and the probabilities. So this gets you in the probability mindset. But yeah, that one there was the one I was bollocking someone in it. Because it's a hard reality.
How I can watch this movie?
You should be in the G drive, brother. You should be there. If I just send you the link right now, 1 second. You should have already been added, so if I just do this, if you open this up, it should let you open it. I'll put it in the chat. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
You should be, yeah.
DJ's dropping. Fuck.
I know, but it just fucking took its time. Oh, you're runner, Brian.
Yeah, I was waiting for a top week.
On the 30, yeah.
30 minutes.
Yeah. Look at those 5-minute candles. Finally, some nice little zones over here. So that's good, man. To be honest with you, I mean, even if we came further down, yeah, I think we should be good. Maybe later on. So I can tell you trading the lower, you're that size. Keep doing what you're doing. You're providing great content information. Thank you very much, my man. Thank you a lot. So yeah, I think we're going to leave it off over here. Great little gold trade managed on the GJ. Nice little L I took, which I was happy with, especially after everyone else took 17 pip losses. I took 7, so I'm pretty happy, 7 or 8. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. Make sure you like the stream before you leave. Obviously, we're going to do the simulation and NY session, the mentorship, all that kind of stuff. I'm not going to go on that too much because it gets boring for you guys here every day. So I'll just put the link here if you want to join. And yeah, thank you so much for coming on. Cheers, Zoom, for coming on. Nice little gold trade we took. And yeah, we'll see you guys at 10 o'clock for the simulation, man. Peace out, squad. See you later, squad. Peace out. Peace out, man. Thank you so much, YouTube, for coming on, man. Beautiful. Much love. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the final day.